Hello guys, hi, my name is Pallavi. I'm a jewelry designer by profession. I'm a GIA graduate. I can sort grade diamonds and color stones. I'm also into designing. My stall number is 2026 in Numaish exhibition, Nampally, Nampally grounds. So I have different varieties of jewelry collection. I have different kinds of ornaments. I have anklets, designer
Yes.
anklets. So I have all the ornaments in silver and all the pieces are hallmarked. So right now my prices are like starting from 1,000 rupees and 1,500 in the outside market. But for especially for the Numaish exhibition, my prices are starting from 400. So I have rings. So you don't have to worry about the purity of the silver. Each and every piece is hallmarked. Okay, each and every piece is hallmark. Even the earrings, the back post of the earrings are also hallmarked. So I have all the designer collection, not just in anklets. I have designer toe rings as well. So you will not find these kind of collection in any of the corporate big jewelry brands. All these are designer pieces, and these are all not bulk pieces. You will only find exclusive designs. I also have few ornaments in gold, 22 carat. I'm only charging 8% making charges, whereas in outside market you will have to pay 15%, 16%. Here, anything you buy in gold, it's just 8% making and 3% GST. And I also have Jada Kundan work pieces, like the traditional Venkateshwara Swami Kante Mala. And I also have Nanpatti, yeah, exclusively for Numaish exhibition. And I also have Navaratna beads in different varieties. These are pumpkin beads. These are Navaratna beads in 2 layers, perfect for gifting for mothers and elder sisters. Yes, yeah. All these are single leg anklets that are going viral on Instagram these days. So all these are fancy wear anklets.
Pure silver.
Yes, pure silver, and all the pieces are hallmarked, and these are studded with semi precious beads and stones. I have these trending jewelry. These are all Italian chains in silver. Now these days the gold prices are increasing. It is going up to 1,48,000 per tula. But you can replace that with silver gold coated chains and earrings. So you see this one. This is only 13,000 rupees. Whereas if you go outside and buy, this will be 50,000 and 60,000. Okay. Yes, all these are Nakshi bead malas, different kinds of Nakshi beads. I will also take customizations for gold and silver.
These are dainty silver.
Yes, these are dainty chains. People are going crazy about these chains. And I have these in 0.6 mm width chains. You will, it is very hard for you to find these kind of chains outside. And I also have silver bangles in pairs. Outside these are at 15,000 and 20,000. I'm only charging 8,000 per pair.
Affordable prices are there.
Yes. And I also have kids bangles and kids ornaments also in silver.
You also customize sizes.
Yes, we also take customization orders for silver and gold. This is our visiting card. You can always come back to the store. Our stall number is 2026. If you have any customizations in gold and silver, and I also can give you loose diamonds if you are interested.
This is the mobile number, right?
Yes. I also have oxidized style of jhumkas, but in silver. These are all earrings that I have. All are designer pieces and replicas of international jewelry brands. If you can see, these are Louis Vuitton's models. And I also have finger rings in Cartier model, Van Cleef model. Or I also have black beads in 92.5 silver, yellow gold coated. People will assume that these are made from gold, and these are all single chain, perfect for workwear and party wear, daily wear, daily wear. You can also use daily wear, and the yellow gold coat will not tarnish no matter how many years you use. Even if you use for 20 years, also the gold color will remain because we follow a different technique so the color lasts long. Only one time polish, and you will not be required a polish another time.
So lifetime warranty.
Yes, lifetime guarantee. And I also have Bugattis. These days, these are going viral.
Yeah, these are trending.
Yes. I have different kinds of Bugattis. Different Bugattis. These can be used as hair accessories also, perfect for festivals, perfect for pujas, perfect for occasions, and yeah, weddings. And wedding season is on the go.
Discount.
Special discount for Numaish visitors. These are really okay. These are really dainty chains that we have. Yeah, in rose gold and with only a single pendant. People who love Pinteresty kind of minimalistic jewelry, they can always come back to 2026 stall number in Numaish. And these are with really nice design. And I also have Chand pendant, perfect for gifting for the Ramzan season, which is going to begin in February. And I also have evil like a chains with just simple pendants. All these are Pinteresty designs, and these are priced very less. You will not believe the rates. It's just 1500. Any one you pick. Outside in the market, people will charge you 4500 for the single chain. The making of the chain is very difficult because this is made in 0.6 mm width. It's very difficult to make, but here only for the visitors of Numaish exhibition we are giving discounts. Any chain you pick,
Minimal
1500.
and daily wear.
Yes, daily wear and minimal. People who love Pinteresty kind of minimalistic jewelry can always come back to me. I love you your finger rings. If you look closely from here, it will show you I love you in 196 languages. This is actually viral on Instagram, and I have those rings. If you can come back to me, you can actually avail. I have a very shortage of finger rings in that kind. I also have chunky gold ear finger rings.
These are anti-tarnish.
Yeah, anti-tarnish. These are all anti-tarnish stainless steel. 199.
Daily wear.
Yeah, daily wear, college wear, office wear. Perfect for all kinds of outfits. You can wear it on saris also. Single kada you can wear on saris also, chudidars. On all kind of outfits it will fit you.